National Unity Platform Secretary General Lewis Rubongoya and spokesperson Joel Sonyonyi were among the NUP party supporters arrested by security operatives after police and military foiled plans by the party to hold parallel Independence Day celebrations. These were taken to Kira Road Police Station, where they spent much of the day and released in the evening. Now members of parliament on the opposition have put government to task to explain why police and other security operatives continue to infringe on their rights to assemble and gather.
The other day, the leader of the National Unity Platform, Honorable Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, you are aware, was kidnapped from a plane and driven to his home. Yesterday, the offices of the National Unity Platform were not only sealed off, national leaders arrested from a Secretary General to a spokesperson, and so many hundreds of our youth who are innocent because they love their country are being held in custody without even the due course of the law.
The group led by the acting leader of opposition and Butambala member of parliament Muwanga Kivumbi stormed out today's sitting, saying it can no longer be normal that public meetings are frustrated and then proceed with sittings in the parliament.
Increasingly difficult for us, Honorable Speaker, yes, to sit in this house with the due respect to the decorum that is required to this house, when outside there, the behavior, the mentality, the abuse of the rights, every member of parliament is on oath to protect, uphold, and defend the Constitution. Our suggestions are two. We receive an immediate explanation from government of their actions and accountability. Or, Right Honorable Speaker, I will lead these honorable members outside this chamber.
Police is accused of violating the Constitution and failing to adhere to court ruling nullifying Section 8 of the Public Order Management Act.
Me and a group of other civil society went to the Constitutional Court and overturned that provision. As we speak now, all that the police can quote is just resolution they make without any recourse to any provision of the law.
Parliament did pass a law called the Law Revision Miscellaneous Amendment Act, with the effect of ensuring that all the restrictive provisions under POMA and the Police Act are dropped from our law books. So as we speak now, the police has no legal justification to stop any political party or any person from conducting business the way they want. This parliament, it's about 2 months ago. So even this parliament has made a pronouncement on that matter.
However, some members of parliament believe such disruptions are bound to happen for as long as there is a government. It is said that these actions are deliberately conducted by any government to keep themselves in power.
As long as there is a perceived disorder that one intends to create, that is a direct invitation of the police or the security forces. The day human beings accepted to be governed, the day human beings accepted the concept of government, is the day they relinquished their rights.
Yeah, those who are uncomfortable can move, and we have.
The legislators' move seems to have caught the presiding officer and the Deputy Speaker Thomas Tayewa off guard. Tayewa pleaded that these legislators wait for a statement from the line ministry, but his pleas were in vain.